Samsung is reported to launch its new A-series phone called Galaxy A18, and before the launch, the upcoming smartphone renders has surfaced online by a popular leakster on Leaks in collaboration with Smartphone Checker. According to leak renders and other rumors, the Galaxy A18 will feature a tall 6.7-inch AMOLED display with up to 90 Hz refresh rate support, and it has a water drop notch at the top center for selfie camera. The rear panel of the phone appears to have a vertically aligned triple camera setup at the top left corner, including LED flash. The volume rockers along with the power button is visible on the right edge of the phone, while the ejectable SIM slot is on the right edge, and at the bottom we see a microphone, speaker grill, and a Type-C charging port. The physical dimensions of the smartphone is suggested to measure at 164.4 by 77.8 by 7.84 millimeters, and it is rumored to come in both 4G version with MediaTek chipset and 5G version with Snapdragon chipset. The handset is also expected to come equipped by at least 5,000 mAh battery, and apart from this, there is no other details of this smartphone at the moment. So as of now, that's all we know about the upcoming Galaxy A18 smartphone, and we'll come to know more details about the phone in the coming days. Till then, stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.